Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I created this channel to provide guitar players with free guitar lessons for all levels. You'll find lessons on chords. C minor is going to be found right here on the 8th fret. The next bar chord I would like you to play is a G minor. G minor is going to be found down here on the 3rd fret. Lessons on guitar riffs. Lessons on how to play rhythm guitar. Lessons on lead guitar. And many other guitar-related topics. I also create online guitar courses for Skillshare, Udemy, and my own website called GuitArmy. I like to put up lessons from my online guitar courses on this YouTube channel, so you're going to get high-quality guitar lessons if you follow my channel. Please take a look through my channel and subscribe if you like what you see. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that you know when I release new videos. I have a very small channel right now, so if you leave comments, you will get a much more personalized response than those huge guitar lesson channels. Think of me as your online personal guitar teacher. I hope you enjoy my guitar lessons.